Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels on this gorgeous day in November. It is November 7th, we are in New England in Boston area. It is 76 degrees outside, it's gorgeous. It is one day from like late spring, early summer. Look at that. We are at a local park and I'm just waiting for my older son Bora. He has a karate practice right now and I said it couldn't be a better time to do another unboxing. So I got this package from Banggood.com a couple weeks ago. I had ordered it like a couple months ago and it wasn't in stock, I believe. I didn't mind waiting, I just wanted to get it. It was on kind of sale and I just wanted to do unboxing on this beautiful day, and hopefully I'll be doing the maiden flight later at our secret flying location number 2 in Massachusetts of our local RC group Aero Junkies, because as soon as I'm done with the unboxing and showing you what the contents, Bora and I am going to pick up my son Bora and we are going to go to the flying field and have some fun today. It's Saturday, it's perfect for flying. The wind is mild, not too bad. Perfect for him to practice as well. With further ado, let me start opening this. Here is my tool of trade. I carry it everywhere. They should do a good job of taping or putting adhesive on the plastic film. A lot of adhesive. So now it's stuck to my hand. Anyway, here it is. This is an RTF ready to fly package from XK. It is a Piper Cub. They call it A160-J3 Skylark. It's a fairly small one. It's a great park flyer. And as like the other models from XK, this comes with their ubiquitous controller. This one. And also it has the stabilization system 3D, they call it 3D 6G. 3D meaning that you can do 3D stuff, aerobatics, and 6G means that it has 6 gyros, actually 3 gyros and 3 accelerometers to keep it very stable and beginner friendly. We are going to see about that. Let's open it up and see what is inside. Here it is, fairly small, and the instruction manual is here. Let me change the envelope a little bit. So what else do we have in the box? A square propeller with spinner. And here are the wings with the wing struts. So each wing has a small servo controlling the ailerons. That's good. I don't like when they have a single servo in the middle controlling both ailerons. Doesn't work well most of the time. And I'll be putting this together once we get to the field. I just want to show you what is inside. Here is the horizontal stabilizer with the elevator. The hinge looks like foam hinge, compressed foam, and the control horn has already been installed, and it looks like it is going to be installed via 2 little screws. That's good, no gluing needed. I mean, if I need glue, I have glue in my toolbox, all kinds of glue. This is the landing gear. You know, one thing special about it is it has a little shock absorbers. So if you hit hard, there are these springs, and also the plastic gives And then I think that there are also two hinges up here, so this is kind of hinging a little bit. And of course the metal is giving also some flexibility and strength. Here's the hardware package. Looks like they gave us extra springs. I don't know if they are used anywhere else other than the landing gear, but it's good. We have some screws, I'm guessing, small and large. Two of the large ones will be for the tail, the horizontal stabilizer. The ubiquitous, handy dandy little Phillips screwdriver that comes in most of the not 100%, most of these packages, and a little USB charger that I'll be using to charge the battery in the car while we are on our way to the field. And then I will do the assembly then. And here is, let me get my tool of trade out. A nice cut here. So they protected everything pretty good here, I can tell you. They even put this foam integrated to this top. So the detail so far on this looks really good. As you can see, they have a cockpit with two seats. That's the way it is. It's a tandem seating in Piper Cubs. And then they have the Boxer engine sticking out. This is plastic, of course. And I cannot see inside, but it feels like a brushless motor, the way I feel it. The battery is packed in here. I'm just going to take this out. It is a okay, so it is a 2-cell 7.4 volt battery, and it's 500 milliamp hours with a mini GST connector. So I'll keep it outside so I can just charge in the car. And these are the servo leads for the aileron servos. It has a nice clear canopy over here. Looks very nice overall. Some vents. Most probably the air may be coming through here and then coming out that way. That may be for cooling of the electronics inside. So let's close this up. And of course, oh yeah, so by the way, the rear tail wheel have shock absorbers as well. So this may come in handy during hard landings. So that's good. And the assembly shouldn't take more than 5-10 minutes. And as always, to save space, they put let me turn it upside down. They put the transmitter on the bottom. So nicely packaged, nicely protected, and hopefully it will be flying later today. By the way, the box turns into a carrying case with that plastic handle, which I like. Not that I'll be disassembling, putting it back in, but if I have to travel, for example, for vacation, I can take this with me, and this handle will make it easier to carry.